After creating this beautiful granny square top, what we need is matching shorts. Welcome to Hook to Knot. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how I made matching shorts for this interesting top. And of course, I am going to pair it with matching headband. For this project, I am using Ganga Hobby Thread, 2.5 mm crochet hook, my favorite pair of scissors, and a darning needle. First step, I am going to make a moving knot. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I have made 21 chains. In the second chain from the hook, I'll start making line of DC. So total I will have 20 DCs, and I will make this strip long enough. Belt portion is just going to be DC on DC till we make required circumference for the waist. Line number 1 is over. Chain 1 and turn your work, and line of DC on DC. If I want to go by stitch count, I need around 150 stitches. It means 75 lines. I will first make 70 lines and then see if I need any more work. I am done with 70 lines of DC on DC. This is a strip of 20 DCs. This will give me enough of width and length for my waistband. I'm just going to stitch both the ends together, and this will be converted as a waist belt. From the other side, I'll start picking up stitches, and downwards I will start building the shorts. I am joining with the line of single crochet. You can join it with slip stitch, or you can join it with darning needle, whatever suits you. Best thing about this joining is you can match stitch to stitch. This is how the belt will look after joining. Now I will do chain 2 and start picking up DCs around the belt. So in each DC space I am going to pick up 2 DCs. I will meet you at the end of this row when I have picked up all the DCs. As we have done 70 lines, it means we will have 140 DCs on the circumference and 1 extra of the joining. So total we will have 141. Don't get stuck with the number of DCs. Just remember, after the belt is done, chain 2 and start picking up either SCs or DCs, whatever you choose to, and continue picking up the stitches. I am done with line of picking up DCs alongside the waistband. I will slip stitch into the very first DC and this is how the work will look now. This is my waistband and now total height of my short will be 10 inches. This is 3 inches is my waistband. So I will work for 4 more inches DC on DC. Then it will be total 7 inches and then I will separate the legs. So for next 4 inches DC on DC, no increase, no decrease. I am done with 7 inches. Now I need to separate the legs. This is where my starting point is and this is where my stitch marker for half number of DCs is. So one leg will be this side and one leg will be this side. Now this line onwards, I will go up to here and close the loop and work only this portion first. Complete this leg and then attach the yarn again here and go finish second leg. Let me start working with one portion. I will start the line as usual, that is chain 1 and DC in the same space. We'll do the line of DC only till stitch marker. Join back to the very first DC. This will create partition and kind of space for 2 legs now. This is how I have started. I am about to reach the stitch marker, so I'll keep on doing DCs till I reach there. Now I have reached stitch marker. Please understand, this would be one stitch where both legs will have their DC. So after this I am going to join it to the very first DC. Slip stitch and this is how the leg one will appear. Now I will continue only with this portion till required height. I am going to do it till 9 inches and then see how much more I need. Always doing an inch of less height is good because later on you can add. Do not hurry to cut the yarns because more knot means your garment becomes little delicate to handle. So only this portion, DC on DC, no increase till the required height. I will see you after one leg is around 9 inches and then we will decide, do we need to add more or we stop there. I am done with required height of 10 inches. Now I will pull up the loop, cut the thread and move on to the next leg. Now simple way to do is calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I will do 9 lines of DC on this and close this. And it's ready. Only thing now I have to create is a string which will pass through the belt and which will help to keep the short on the waist.